तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सांसद हैं और आज किस मुद्दे पर वोट कर रही हैं, यही पूछना चाहूंगी आपसे।
सतता सरकारेर जोन्नो समस्त वोट।
इस बार जब आप बात कर रही हैं नुसरत, तो क्या बड़े मुद्दे होंगे महिलाओं के लिए, क्योंकि एक महिला मुख्यमंत्री है बंगाल।
पहले ही डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ कि बंगाल की हर, सिर्फ महिला नहीं, हर जेंडर दीदी को चाहती है। बाकी आप
इस समय बंगाल में जो कोविड की स्थिति है,
फाइटिंग विद इट, वी आर फाइटिंग।
Ma'am, can we just do the bell? Yeah. Ma'am, you've campaigned in the length and breadth of West Bengal for this election. How confident is Trinamool Congress of a victory on second day?
Wherever I have been campaigning, I've seen people's support, people's love for only one face of Bengal, and that is our honorable CMs. And the rest, I think today we should not talk about it. Right now, the only thing that I would request all my friends from media to portray in front of people is to stay indoors, to take care of themselves, because we're going through a very tough situation. And on that note, I am also personally doing all virtual campaigning at the moment. For today being the last day of campaigns, we're all going virtual. So I would actually request people to stay indoors and take care of themselves.
Ma'am, the phases will see
EC के रोल पर क्या कहना होगा?
EC has been sleeping.
देखिए
EC was sleeping for a very long time. EC decided too late that the campaigns and everything should be taken care of as far as COVID is concerned. ये decision पहले लेना चाहिए था. We are all fighting it up, so let's hope for the best and let's pray for humanity at the moment. तो थोड़ा आप सब संयम रखें और let's pray that we all come together and fight this. Thank you. बोलो दीदी बोलो. Tell me didi, tell me.
Finally, they have decided to stop the campaigning from the election commission. Don't you think it's too late?
It is too late. Why was the EC sleeping all this while? Just when the PM decided that he would not be holding any public meetings or campaignings, just after that EC decides to call off all the public meeting holdings. So it's not me who's thinking on this note. I think everybody else is also. Why was EC sleeping all this while? Why did not EC come up with something like this where campaigns should not be done for the entire length? Why all of a sudden when PM decided that no, we should not do it? So EC probably listens to PM and HM more than anybody else. It thinks more about them than the people.
You have
we
been
done?
campaigning so long. We've seen you out on the streets, on jeeps, on cars, campaigning.
Yes, the
Did you
13 to
feel
14
at
districts.
risk? Did you feel threatened by the virus and felt that no, this should be called off?
But it wasn't really in our hands. Everybody, both the parties, all the respective parties have been campaigning and doing their bits. Only when the election commission comes up, wakes up from the dream and says we cannot campaign anymore is when we had to go virtual. So on that note, when everything is all said and done, it's all done now, and we're facing a lot of problems at the moment. I just hope that we conquer this fight and we shall win also.
Today is the last day of campaigning, finally.
I'm going virtual. I'm going all out virtual.
But are you relieved that it's over?
No, I'm not yet relieved that it's over because it's too late when it's over.
ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।